replacing rear right air spring. What you're seeing right now is the new air spring, but first, we have to remove the old air spring. Now make sure to remove the air hose fitting and the wiring harness connector before you remove the air spring. And this is the wiring harness connector. Now that the wiring harness connector and the air hose fitting was removed, let's proceed to the lower arm. Before anything else, make sure to put a torque mark on the bolts that you torque. And then, we're going to do a leak test to this air hose fitting. Make sure also that the wiring harness connector is properly installed. Now let's test the new air spring. Tire is installed and wheel nuts are properly torqued. Let's try to select the 3 ride height options, and our level guide is the aim of headlights. First, the normal mode. Look closely on the headlights. Now, the off-road mode. We confirmed that the normal and off-road mode is working. We have to check now the air hose fitting if there's any air leak. Use water with soap and spray it to the air hose fitting while inspecting for air leak. Perfect! Now the leak from air spring fitting is fixed. Some of you will question, why not repair the fitting? You know I want to do that, but this car is under warranty. That's why we replaced it.